Hey guys, welcome to this new ClassIn video. Today I'll show you some settings in ClassIn that can make your learning and teaching experience in ClassIn even better. I've divided this video into 3 parts to keep it simple. First, we'll go through basic settings that provide a strong foundation. Next, we'll look at settings when you're setting up a lesson. Lastly, we'll explore the tools and settings inside the classroom itself. But before we check all these settings, I just wanted to say that if you sign up using the link provided in the video description, you'll get access to a 1-month trial of the business version of ClassIn. The business version offers even more advanced features that can take your online teaching to the next level. So don't miss the opportunity to experience the full power of ClassIn and discover how it can change your virtual classroom. So now let's dive in ClassIn. To access the system settings, open ClassIn and look for the settings icon located in the lower left corner. Click on it and then select General Settings. Let's see what options we have in there. Run when system starts up. This option allows ClassIn to launch automatically when your computer starts. The next one, auto login. Enabling this will automatically log you in when you open ClassIn. Enable message notification sound. This feature triggers an alert sound when you receive new messages. Enable lesson notifications. With this activated, you'll receive notifications for upcoming lessons or events. Enable activity notification. When enabled, you will receive notifications for tasks, discussions, and so on. Eye care mode. When activated, this feature reduces screen brightness and adjusts colors to be easier on your eyes. Enable pressure level sensor. Only works on tablets. This option utilizes the pressure level sensor on tablet devices for a more interactive experience. Select language. Allows you to choose the language you prefer for ClassIn. So here we have hotkeys. You can customize hotkeys for specific actions like opening ClassIn and taking screenshots. Send message hotkey. You can decide how to send messages in chat by pressing Enter or Command plus Enter on Mac. Default folder for saving files. You can choose where your files are saved at the default location. Clear cache. This is a useful option if you encounter any glitches or bugs during lessons. It helps by clearing cached data that might be causing the issues. Clear data file. Use this option only if the course content cannot be displayed correctly. It's a troubleshooting tool to clear data files that may be causing display issues. And privacy. You can control the visibility of your personal information, including gender, birthday, and region to different user groups. Alright, now let's go to lesson settings. And to access lesson settings, you can start by selecting any class. Then click on the lesson tab and choose Add Lesson. Here you can customize the lesson by editing its name, start time, and duration. Please keep in mind that with the free version, the duration is limited to 40 minutes. You can also select the class mode. In this case, we'll leave it as the online classroom. Additionally, you can choose the number of students on stage. Be careful with this setting, as selecting 1VO means no one will join your class on stage. They will be spectators only. If you're using the business version, you can also edit teachers and co-teachers. Once your lesson is set up, students will be able to join your class 10 minutes before the scheduled start time. Alright, and now let's move to the classroom. In the video tab, you have the ability to adjust your camera settings. You can rotate or mirror your camera if needed, disable it, or select the right source for your camera. In the audio tab, you can fine-tune your microphone and speaker settings. Adjust the volume to your liking and explore additional features like auto-adjust microphone volume, background noise reduction, and music mode for more professional music scenarios. In the virtual background section, you can switch between different backgrounds, which can be a very useful feature for enhancing your virtual environment. In the classroom background settings, you have the option to change backgrounds for your classroom. You can choose from pre-made backgrounds provided by ClassIn or upload your own. If you're interested in learning more about creating and using custom backgrounds in ClassIn, be sure to check out my previous videos dedicated to this topic. In the classroom layout setting, you can customize the arrangement of your virtual classroom. So here how it works. Choose a layout template. When moving the camera, courseware, or teaching tools within the classroom, hold down the Shift key to quickly align the object with the corresponding pane based on the selected template. You have the option to select from several pre-made templates, and you can even create your own. Let's try out the 3 split screen on the right template to see how it looks in action. This feature can be incredibly useful for designing your virtual classroom just the way you want it. So there you have it. The settings we've covered today can truly elevate your teaching and learning experience in ClassIn. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.